my fellow panelists, invitees and my dear friends. Belagavi has got its own identity. As rightly mentioned by Honorable Shettar sir, there are a few wonderful points which we see with Belagavi. The first strength I could see is like it's a triple helix foundation, I could say. In the sense, it's got a very strong education base. You find wonderful universities, institutes, and also we have got a very strong industry as well as the aerospace manufacturing base here. That also is really a good point which goes in favor of Belagavi. And third point which I see in Belagavi is that it is coming up with a very big bang in the health sector. You know,
ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ 2047 ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಶೀಲ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಬಹು ಬೇಗನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ, ನನಸಾಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಶಯಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಬಲವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿರುವ